Hey everyone, now we're hiking up to the first of 7 zip lines at the Vail Game Creek Zipline Course.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Let's go!
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Look at that view!
Is all we'll ever
It's zip number 2 and it's the highest one at 350 feet. Let's go!
waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey, right now we're on our way to our 4th zip line on the chairlift. Zip line 3 wasn't that great, so I just didn't film it. We'll see you at the top. Here goes number 4. It's half a mile long. Number 6, here we go.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Last zip of the day, number 7.
We'll go.
Look at that view!
Wastelands, through the highways.
I just finished Vail's 7 zipline course. It was really fun and we ended up going over 2 miles. You guys should really try it out. See you guys next time.